Okay, so during this tutorial, we're going to go through your essentially setup instructions to create your profile for the Insight Quanta Capsule. As I alluded to in the previous email, you need to create a profile, an Insight Quanta Capsule profile, which is basically an email and a password. The practitioner needs your email account associated with your Insight Quanta Capsule because that is how they will export the frequencies to you. So as an example, if you recall, if you've made the purchase directly through your practitioner or through Insight Health App's website, you're going to be issued a username and a password to go ahead and log in. So I'm going to show you where that is on the Insight Quanta Capsule. Let's go ahead and log in here with the Insight Quanta Capsule. As you can see, you'll get to the first page. You've got two options. Are you an existing user login, or do you want to create a new account? Now, as per this email, as you can see, you already have an account created for you. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and copy this email address. I'm going to go to the Insight Quanta Capsule, and I'm an existing user because I have received an email and a password. So I'm going to go ahead and type in my email here, and then type in my password of 1234567 and then click on login, and I should just log in straight away. As long as you have done that, you will be good to go. As you can see, I've come up to a paywall. This is just something that we need to fix from our side, which it just means that this email account is already being used. So I'm just going to go ahead and search for it and activate it from our server side. Going to go ahead and click on refresh. So again, if you ever get to that page, it just means that you have not contacted us yet and we do not have a confirmation of your purchase. In other words, if you purchase it through the App Store, that panel may very well appear. Or if you download the app and you create your profile, but you do not purchase, after the 7 days, that will automatically expire and you will get to that paywall where you will be prompted to pay. In that instance, you just go ahead and then you contact us. I'm going to go ahead and click on log out. Do I want to log out? Yes. And now I'm going to take you through the first time installation. In other words, you haven't purchased the app, you haven't received a username and login. You would just go through this process here. You would create a user profile, which I'm just going to go ahead and create Ryan. Email address of Ryan. I'm just going to create hopefully a different email address that will not be located via our server. And then a password. And then your phone number. And then internet. Or if you are working with an existing practitioner, go ahead and put your practitioner's details down in that column so we know which practitioner you are actually working with. I'm going to go ahead and click on create my account, and your account is now created. So just as a reminder, there's two options here. The first option is that if you just download the Genius, if you download the Insight Quanta Capsule, you go through the process, you set up a profile, and then what that is going to do, it is going to give you a 7-day free trial access. In other words, you can use the Quanta Capsule for 7 days before you will get prompted to make a purchase. That's your one option. The second option is if you have already purchased the Quanta Capsule, be it through your Apple iTunes or your Google Play. If you've made that purchase through your App Store or through your practitioner, we will issue you a username and password. And just to remind you, this is what the username and password will look like. Username and password. As long as you receive this email, you can log in with this username and password, and then that will give you unlimited, unrestricted access to the Insight Quanta Capsule. So again, there's a question, maybe you've lost your email address or you've lost your password. You just go ahead, you click on lost password, you enter in your existing email address here. I'm just going to go ahead and paste. You go ahead and click on send password. And what that will do, that'll basically reset the password, and you will receive that via email. So again, another thing to bear in mind is you can actually log in to the Insight Quanta Capsule on any device that you wish. However, if you've only purchased a single license, it means that you can only log in on one device at any one time. So let's say you have an iPhone and you have an iPad. You log in on your iPad and then you decide you want to log in on your iPhone. Because you have a single license, you will not be able to do that. In this instance, you need to log out of your iPad first, and then you can log into your iPhone, obviously using the same email and password, and then you can log into your iPhone, and then you can use the Quanta Capsule on your iPhone versus your iPad. Real simple process. Hope this helps you understand your basic setup, your email intake, and then how to actually create an account, or if an account was actually given to you. So again, I do need to stress this. If you have not received an email like this with your username and password, you need to contact us. Otherwise, after the 7 days, that your Insight Quanta Capsule, it'll stop working. It'll ask you to make a payment. This is confirmation of your payment, and you need to get this as an email and then log in with your username and password. Thank you.